Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Okay. Queen of Swords. Okay, so Cancer, this is your current energy, Queen of Swords, and the Chariot is your partner's current energy. Alright. So with this Queen of Swords card, I feel that you are being somebody who is very energetic towards taking action. Okay. Perhaps you have already made up your mind what you want in life, what relationship you want in your life, what partner you want in your life. Okay, so in that case you have made up your mind that hey, I want this person and I don't want any other person in my life. Okay, and if somebody tries to come in my life, I'll definitely going to cut them out. So you are being somebody who is completely energetic. Okay, you are taking decisions like that. Okay, and yes, there's blood in your hand, even though you are someone who is a nurturer, who is a protector. But yes, at this point of time you are being protective towards your own energies. You are being protective towards your own heart. Okay, because you do not want to get into in any kind of any kind of relationship which leads you towards heartbreak. Okay, so you are being someone who either you are completely independent and completely single, or if you are in some relationship with somebody, you are trying to, or you are choosing to be with that person only. Okay, you don't want any third person in your life. All right, on the other hand, we have the Chariot card. So this is your partner's current energy, Cancer. Your person is being someone who is trying to manage all the things all alone. Okay, they are Chariot. They have the qualities, they have qualities like positive and negative. Okay, with these two black and white figures, they have all his negative and positive traits. All right, and along with that, they are being somebody who's trying to gel up all the things at the same time, because I feel that since they are someone who is on this Chariot, that means he or she is the responsible person. That means they must have a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. Okay, so in that case, this person is being so mature. Okay, this person is being so responsible towards his or her duties. So yes, that's why this person, it may happen that this person is ignoring you. Okay, but I'm seeing that this person is mature enough and he knows how to invest their time. Okay, on to whom they have to invest their time, and that's why and I mean, sorry, that's their current energy. Okay, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? What is the current situation of this relationship? The Source. I believe that both of you are, or both of you have surrendered in front of God. Okay, in your own ways, because this person is someone who is already very much occupied with their responsibilities, and on the other hand, it's you with this Queen of Swords, that you are being someone who don't want to entertain any other person. So in that way, both of you have both of you are just relying on God. Okay, both of you have left the final decision on God, and the current situation is the same for both of you. You have surrendered in front of God, and that's the best thing. That's the best thing about this relationship, that both of you have understood that if it's okay, certain things are not beyond our, certain things are not in our control, certain things are beyond our control. Okay, so where we cannot do anything at that point of time, we should leave our concern towards God. Okay, so this is the current situation of this relationship, the Source. Now I'm going to pull 3 cards to see what they think about you, what they exactly do, and what action they are going to take in future towards you. All right, Okay. So we have, sorry, receptivity, okay, traveling, and isolation. Okay. Okay, all right. So, receptivity. Let's talk about what they think about you. With this card, receptivity, they feel and think about you that you are someone who is so mature. Okay, they see you as somebody who is mature, who has a lot of wisdom, okay, who can guide other people. And with this card, they see that you are someone who has the blessings of divine, direct from divine, okay, because your heart chakra and, sorry, your crown chakra is open, and you are someone who talks, or you who always talks uh, in a wiser way, okay. People look up to you for any advice, people look up to you for any kind of suggestions, okay. So they feel that you are someone who is blessed because you have that wisdom in you, okay, you have that matureness in you, okay. So they see you as someone who is very mature, and along with that, you are someone who accept the other people with open arms, okay. You are someone who never judge the other person, you are someone who always accept the other person in the way they are, okay. So they, I mean, in that way they see you as someone who is very receptive. All right. The Okay, now let's see what they are doing right now. With this traveling card, it seems like your person wants to move out somewhere, okay. Perhaps they want to travel somewhere, okay. Perhaps they want to meet you, okay. It could also happen that they are someone, I mean, it could also happen for some of you Cancerian people that you guys are into long distance relationship, and perhaps your person wants to meet you. They have made plans to meet you, but somehow it didn't work well. So in I mean, whenever they think about you, whenever they thought about you, they always think to meet you, okay. They are making their own plans to come forward and talk to you. All right. Their future plan is isolation. It seems like when, after trying a lot of time, okay, after thinking a lot about you, that hey, I wanted to meet you but I could not, but this and that and blah blah blah, feel that at some point of time they'll start giving up, okay. They would feel that, oh god, nothing is going on as per my own wish, as I always wanted, but what is going to happen and what will happen, and perhaps future thoughts are going to haunt them. That's why this person is going to be in a complete isolation mode, okay. Perhaps they won't talk to you, perhaps they won't text you, perhaps they won't come to meet you, okay. Because it's not that they are not interested in you or they won't interested in you, but yes, their own thoughts have captured their mental space, okay. So in that case, they would feel isolated. All right. Okay. So Cancer, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With this Queen of Swords, we have Cancer in this reading with this Chariot card, so some of you could be dealing with that too. So we have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading with this traveling card. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this isolation card, and we have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading with this receptivity card. All right. So that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.